In our math message today, we're going to be learning about money and sharing money. So here's what it says. Four friends have six $10 bills to share equally. How much money will each friend get? So you could use $10 bills, $1 bills to act out the problem. Write your answer and try to figure this out. Just a hint, the friends can trade for smaller bills. Remember, you could use $5 bills too. There are $5 bills and $1 bills. So as you think about this, so first of all, whenever we look at a problem like this, we look at what we know. And first of all, we know that there are four friends. So I'm going to take my little pencil down here and I'm going to make four little friends right here. Just stick sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, it helps me when I make pictures as I do this. And by the way, if you're online, you should be on slide 2, or after you watch this, you need to go to slide 2 and do it. And so we have four friends and they have six $10 bills. How much money is six $10 bills? 10 times 6. What would that be? I hope that you said 60. So that would be $60 is what they have all together. Okay, $60. And there's six $10 bills. Now, they're going to share that 60 with each child. Everybody's going to have equal amount with $60. Well, first of all, we know that they had $10, right? So what if every kid had $10 here? $10. We're going to give $10 to this kid, $10 to this kid, and $10 to this kid. So how much would that be? 10 times 4 is 40. Okay, so we've used 40 of our dollars. So we're going to take that. So what is 60 minus 40? Because now we got to figure out how much we have left. So we have 20 left to share. So, okay. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. My pencil just went crazy. Okay, we have $20 left to share. Everybody got $10, but now we have 20 left. So how are we going to share that with four people? Now, if we have $10, we couldn't, that would not be fair to give one person 10 and another 10 and then nobody else has any more. So that wouldn't be fair. So what if we would give them each $1? $1, $1, $1, $1. That's 4. And then $1, $1, $1, $1. Okay, so let's do that. So here we've got 40. Let's go ahead and share so we can figure out. So 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Remember, we're going to 60. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So how many $1 bills would they get? 5. So each child is going to get, or each friend is going to get a $10 bill and five $1 bills. So each friend is going to get this much. So how much are they going to get? 10 plus 5 is $15. So 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 is 60.